So today, while sunbathing in the UK, if you can believe it, we've decided to change the fuel filter, the sunroof that has not gone back on, but we'll get back to that later, and we need to get the fuel pump off. If you're actually bothered about this video, please do tune in, or stay tuned, whichever. Let's go.
You got a flathead? That one? That's not flathead, wherever it's gone, that flathead that you had earlier.
No, flathead. There's one here. So as this is a 1988 E30, the fuel filter is in the engine bay, in the most awkward place ever. Made more awkward due to the fact it's a huge engine.
Whoa, wait.
The math.
What? I don't know. Look at all this.
Bad. Use the old things to put on the bottom. Hang on.
Right, now that should just pull off. Right, you hold it. You don't even move. Right, get a bit of grip. Yeah, watch me hand.
Oh yeah, watch me hand.
Pull it. It's came loose a bit. Unless you just want to pull.
Well, we don't want to snap the hose.
Look at that! OEM, that is! OEM!
Oh no, I'm waiting to see a date.
Oh.
It's a bit of a difference. So, when buying a used car, you hope it's been serviced and looked after, and sometimes the owner tells you it's been looked after, and it hasn't. So this fuel filter was last changed 18th of 9th, 95.
95!
So it was changed once in its life. So we are 10 days off 23 years old.
Shit. That is bad.
Not bad. And you can see BMW last serviced it. Holding the old Gale. Still got an interior to remove.
That's a 2-minute job.
Oh, yeah,
I'll have that
job.
interior out in 8 minutes. You can time me.
Right, we'll time you.
I'm on about the back seats and the front seats, so I don't include the carpet.
No. Interior, that's the old dash, 8 minutes. Then you can edit it down to 5 seconds.
What's the torque spec on these? We need to know. People might want to know what the torque is.
It's a bloody airbox. Stop being there.
I think it's like 14.
Yeah, $14.
No, that's it. You know, everybody moans like, well, you didn't torque it down. It's 18.5.
Listen, it's not been serviced since 1995. I don't think torque spec makes a difference.
Missing a clip there.
You?
Weight reduction.
No, it's not weight reduction. Where's the clip?
I gave that you.
Yeah, you gave it me, didn't you?
You don't need it anyway.
Why have we got 2 clips all of a sudden? Look, just put that bloody thing on. This,
Because one clip's supposed to go around the fuel filter, because there's one on the bottom and then one on the top. But you don't need it anyway.
yeah.
Oh, no, back in the 1980s, technology went that ahead, whereas now we're improving the car. Because by not having a clip there, I get more air into the system.
I'm just scared of that.
There's some bangers on this iPod, isn't there? Crap, this is a good song. Bob Marley. Try go roll a blunt.
You're not allowed to do illegal shit.
We're in California.
Yeah, it looks like.
Look at it, I mean, look at the sun glaring. I can't the clip. So the M3 engine's in and we imagine that moment. That'll be an epic moment, wouldn't it?
What, no keys? Where's the keys gone?
The keys are in the ignition.
What?
The keys are in the ignition.
You just put them there.
They were there all along.
Yeah, I bet.
Have you had a swig out of this since the last wiped it? I ain't catching no lurgy, I'm telling you now. It's a bit rough.
I'll give it a chance.
Yeah, we're not sponsored by Dell, let's make that clear.
Why would you want to be sponsored by Dettol?
Well, I'll tell you why.
And that's how you change fuel filter.
Even though you probably didn't see anything and it was a complete failure anyway. Well, I'm on a hard day's work now. You could do the rock when I record, because I'm ripping out that interior. I can't wait.
Why not? Hurry up then. Don't got long enough.
Hurry up what?
Don't got long now.
What are you on about? Why wipe it from me when I haven't even got the lurgy?
You might have something else.
Like what?
I don't know. Welcome back, guys. So the next job we've got to tackle is changing this rocker cover. This is probably the original, given the rest of the engineer's bag shit as well. So it's the M40 rocker cover. So you need the gasket, obviously. £8 Euro car parts. What you done with me a socket now?
What socket? What do you need? Right, so I'll just take a moment to buy a loader.
No one cares.
There we go.
Ten mil. So there's 8 10mm bolts to remove. Once you've done that, disconnect the coils. Pull.
That's bad.
Looks a bit dirty. Definitely caked on. As you can see, it looks a bit oily. So if you remove the plastic cover, reveals the head or cam. Don't look too bad, but the gasket's definitely gone. I'll leave that there. So once you put the new gasket on, fitting is reverse of the removal. I gave it a quick clean. It'll have to come back off anyway. So today, apart from sunbathing, we've decided to
Start again.